出国那个 Schlemm 中农山起码。
Menteri Rangba kejelah ni kesengi kekandai terik unok pra, habai keren bet kinong tok kubor, ulayatu, mana kalian kesorkar jelah, kan saplino ya kekerdop rung badmi, kabadon ha umling, ha kakadru terik unok pra.
Umling entry point will be inaugurated on the 16th of December. I'll be going myself to inaugurate it. And as we are going to start the tourism from 21st, so it will be activated by then. So that is the latest. At the same time, for the tourism, when we start on 21st, I'm also happy to inform all of you that the first flight from Delhi to Shillong will also start on the 21st. So the airlines have confirmed, and we're hopeful that the flight will start on 21st, and also be there on 23rd also. And then we will ensure that at least once, up to twice a week, the flight from Delhi to Shillong directly will be operational. But the first flight will be on the 21st of December.
Will it be a direct flight, sir? Because
Direct flight. It's a direct flight from Delhi to Shillong and Shillong to Delhi.
because idea is a small flight, can it do?
Yes, it can. It's not a small flight. It's a 72-seater flight. It's more than an ATR. It's a Q400 flight. It's a turboprop, of course, but it's more enhanced and more advanced than the ATRs. And it will be direct flight straight from Shillong to Delhi, Delhi to Shillong.